The Black Shark 4S is coming on October 13th, and the company is ramping up its teasers for the upcoming gaming flagship. An executive of the brand took it to Weibo to share a few cool details about the upcoming Black Shark 4S. Starting with the display, the new device will have a 6.67 inches, Full HD+, Samsung E4 AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate, ultra-quick touch response, and color accuracy comparable to professional creative monitors. The device will feature insane 720Hz touch sampling rate, which enables a touch delay of just 8.3 millisecond. The new UI will also bring a screen mode for comfortable prolonged reading. Moving on to backside, the triple horizontal camera setup shares its design with the Black Shark 4 Series' Island. The big difference is the brand moving away from the X aesthetics and will offer a new look that is still carrying the typical over-designed gaming aesthetics. We can also see the gaming shoulder triggers, which the Black Shark 4S will inherit from its predecessor. The camera department will feature an 64-megapixel primary lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and finally a 5-megapixel macro lens. The executive has shared some camera samples taken from the phone, which looks pretty impressive. On the performance side, the device will feature the latest flagship chipset, Snapdragon 888+. And 2 days before the phone gets announced, it also did a test run on Antutu, beating the current crown holder Black Shark 4 Pro. The benchmark also revealed there will be a 16GB RAM and 512GB memory option. The 887,734 total result is a sum of the performance of 4 key components: CPU, GPU, memory, and user experience. Quick math reveals the Snapdragon 888+ powered phone was able to outdo its predecessor by 3.5%. The scores claim that the phone will come with an enhanced UFS 3.1 Plus storage. For connectivity, the device will offer support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 5G, and a Type-C port. The Black Shark 4S is also rumored to retain 4,500 mAh battery, alongside a 120-watt charger. The pricing details are still to be revealed. But we will not have to wait too long, as the Black Shark 4S will be coming on October 13th. So yeah, stay subscribed to the channel to stay updated. Until then, see you guys later.